Welcome to our exploration of the narwhals, fascinating creatures of the Arctic Ocean mostly found in the Atlantic area. Join us as we dive into their world, uncovering the secrets of their survival and their urgent need to address the impacts of climate change. As we know, climate change is significantly reducing the ice cover on Earth. The effects can easily go unnoticed because oceanic mammals often have hidden behaviors. Many, including narwhals, are poorly equipped to handle these rapid changes in sea ice conditions. Narwhals face additional challenges. They have small population sizes, slow reproduction rates, and are apex predators in their food web. This makes them highly threatened and largely listed as vulnerable to climate change. Recent years have seen a worrying decline in their numbers. To better understand and protect narwhals, scientists are studying their myoglobin concentration and muscle fiber type. These factors help determine the main muscle used for swimming and diving, the longissimus dorsi. By examining these, researchers can see if narwhals can adapt to rapid changes in sea ice conditions.
Narwhals are built for slow and enduring swimming rather than speed. This is because they have a large predominance of slow-twitch muscle fibers, also called red fibers, because of their high myoglobin content. The proportion of red fibers over white fibers is nearly 9:1. The concentration of myoglobin in their muscles, particularly in the longissimus dorsi, is one of the highest among cetaceans. This enables them to store large amounts of oxygen and dive and swim for long periods, up to 17 minutes, which is a common escape strategy from predators like killer whales. Narwhals can dive to impressive depths, typically around 600 to 700 meters, and even reach 990 meters by incorporating gliding periods during their dives to reduce metabolic costs. The record maximum dive duration is 26.2 minutes, with a maximum depth of 2,355 meters. This extended duration and depth depend on the narwhal's body mass and increased anaerobic processes, so after very long and deep dives, they need time at the surface to recover from anaerobic activity byproducts.
Narwhals, especially in winter, operate at their limits. They struggle to extend dive durations or depth due to rapid changes in ice cover and pre-availability from climate change. They need specific sizes and depth of breathing holes in the ice, which limits their foraging movements. In fact, only 2.6% to 10.4% of their wintering grounds are accessible due to disrupted ice movements and changing temperatures. In addition, when there are sudden shifts in wind or quick drops in temperature due to climate change, breathing holes in the ice are shut closed, leading to more ice entrapment as narwhals take risks to find new feeding areas.
Climate change also impacts their dietary flexibility and habitat choices. Recent studies show that narwhals' diets have changed over the past 30 years due to shifts in sea ice patterns and migratory routes. Researchers studied genetic relationship and fatty acid dietary markers in a group of narwhals trapped together. They wanted to see if related narwhals forage together. The results suggest that narwhals have a matrilineal social structures, meaning females teach their young how to find food and may forage together. Narwhals from different populations dive differently and eat different things, showing they have specialized ways of finding food, and this specialization affects how well they can adapt to changes in their environment. While they might be more flexible in their feeding habits than previously thought, their future success depends on more than just diet. How they deal with more industrial activity in their habitats, increased predators from the south, and more competition from other whales and humans will also be crucial in how they handle climate change.
So let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. Narwhals are highly specialized for their icy environments, they have high myoglobin concentration, and they can dive deep for long periods. However, this adaptation leaves them vulnerable to rapid environmental changes driven by climate change. It threatens narwhals by disrupting their habitat and foraging pattern. In winter, they face extreme conditions with limited breathing holes and increased risk of ice entrapment due to sudden weather changes. Narwhals' future depends on adapting to increased industrial activity and competition in their environment. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Together we can raise awareness and protect these incredible creatures from the impact of climate change. Stay curious and see you next time!